Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how we can log out of our Coinbase account. Logging out or signing out of Coinbase is a straightforward process, so make sure you watch the video till the end. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and then go to coinbase.com in the URL box. If you're logged into your coinbase.com account and you'd like to log out of it, then from the main homepage of Coinbase, go ahead and click on the initial at the top right corner of the screen. Now in the expanded menu, you will be able to see the sign out button. Before signing out of your account, make sure that you remember your credentials, that is your email address and password, or the method of login that you previously used. If you are confirmed with that, and if you are sure you can get in next time you want, click on the sign out button to confirm signing out of Coinbase. And that's how you can easily sign out or log out of Coinbase account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.